And you know, you may say a lot of things about Senator Jinggoy. You may talk about his past. But I will reiterate, I am a witness. Narinig ko yung mga offer sa kanya. Wala ka ng kaso, wag ka lang kakalas. Nung una, wag ka sumama dyan kay Senator Loren. Ngayon naman, kumalas ka at join the minority. The minority senators knows this. So stop lying. You know this. Some of you are using it in talking to us. O, sabi ko naman sa inyo, no? Pumili tayo ng 13, I'm ready to go anytime, any day. Basta't may 13 na. Show me 13, wala nang problema. Ang pakiusap ko lang, let that be 13 that are fighting for the truth. So that the truth can finally set all Filipinos free.